Hi guys!
Aniq here.
I'm here.
Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews.
So today
We have the LG ultra-wide 35WN65C monitor.
So this is a 35-inch curved LG ultra-wide monitor. It's HDR, 100 Hz, and it's 4K.
So this monitor has a special feature. It's why we bought it. So we'll tell you that after opening it.
Yeah.
So now let's open it. Okay, so there were a couple of things that came, Ellie.
And yeah.
So what we have here is the power. So this is a power circle thing. It's not like the ones in PCs and stuff.
And this is a DisplayPort cable and a USB 3.0 to
the old USB 3.0.
Yeah, the old USB 3.0, and this is HDMI to HDMI.
This is all, and this here, it's a cable management clip which you put onto the stand of the monitor and run your cables through down there.
Well, that's good.
Let's put these over to the side.
Well,
and now we need to take this out. Okay, so we open it up and here's the base.
So this is the stand which we'll be holding up from the base. So
okay, so this goes in here, and over here by the side of it, it has the ports.
So there's two HDMI ports, one DisplayPort, and two USBs, and one of those old USB 3.0.
And it also has a phone jack and also a DC in.
Yeah, that's the power one. That, and also this.
Now we have to put on this stand.
And another good thing is you don't need any screws for screwing it in.
So there's a screw on the bottom which has a handle
to screw it in. And also this is curved as we mentioned earlier, so yeah.
So let's
carefully put it up.
That
Now we'll just.
And that is the monitor. So you guys can see the monitor over here. It's 35 inches across like that, and it's curved too.
And it's 4K, so yeah.
Yeah, it has a 3440 by 1440p resolution. This can also go up and down. You guys can see down here.
We'll put it down for now.
And that, so let's keep it here. So this doesn't turn like this. It doesn't have a screw. So if you do want to I don't know, 360, you'd have to lift it up and do it. Okay, so we turned it around and you guys can see the ports over here. It has the HDMIs, the display port, and the
two USB 3.0s and the older USB 3.0.
There they all are.
Yep.
It also has the LG logo here.
Yeah.
So I think we can take that off. You guys can see it better now.
Yep.
And now let's turn it back around.
So we'll put in the power.
So we'll put in the power. And we also have the HDMI here, which we'll also put in. Okay, so we have the power. And
we also have the HDMI cable.
And we also installed
the clip.
The clip, so let's take this out. So this
you're gonna put on the top part, not the bottom part.
And that. Now we're just gonna plug in the power.
What does it say?
It made a sound, so it also has speakers now, it looks like.
Yeah.
Ellie.
And we'll touch it.
And now you see on the bottom it shows that. So on the bottom there's a joystick which can be used to, and there you are.
So we have the displays connected, and
right now this is running at around 720p.
Yeah, so that's
somewhere
my
around
laptop
that, and we're gonna change it to 4K.
Yeah. So we're gonna press keep changes, and
there we are. So this, as you can see, is 4K. It's so small over there. So this feature, at the beginning we said that was about this display.
Yeah.
It was that this display has the LG dual controller. So by that it means that if I have another computer and I connect it with this, you can split this into two displays. So on one side you're extending or duplicating another computer, and the other is another thing. So it would become, if you cut it in half, it would become 1720 by 1440 on both sides. So that's not that bad either.
And so you guys can see it's a lot of space. So just this corner was 720.
So this also can tilt. You can also bring it up and down like we showed before.
Yeah.
Up and down. This also has AMD Free Sync, So if you have a AMD
card.
GPU, you can activate FreeSync and 100 Hertz, so it'd be okay for gaming too.
Yeah.
This does not tilt at all. Okay, so this monitor, like you can see here how it's split. So it would look something like that, and it would be about the same size for the screens.
But there will be just a little black line in the middle to just divide them.
Also, with the 4K resolution, it would help with, like, since it's smaller.
And also, if you have dual controller, you can use the same mouse. If you just hover over the second area, same mouse, same connectivity, you can still use just one mouse. And also, but for the keyboard, like you guys can see, we have the Logitech
K780.
Yeah, it's multi-device Bluetooth and USB adapter.
So this is
and we also have the mouse up there.
So this is the M788, if I'm not, no, M590, and this mouse is also multi-device. So for the keyboard, it won't automatically switch, so you might still need this if you have two computers. But for the mouse, if you like bring it to the other side, it will just like automatically switch in like that. So with these Logitech things, so the Logitech makes a couple of different products which also have these. But, so these you can just use one of these for two devices, which with the Logitech software, if you just bring it over to like the edge of the screen, it'll just automatically bring it over to the other thing and switch your Bluetooth. And for the keyboard, if you do this, like there's buttons, so if you press like one button, it would switch it.
And so you don't need two keyboards or two mice. So yeah, that's one benefit with these two. You guys should go check that video out.
Okay, so this is a pretty cool monitor. It looks pretty cool too, and it can be like very useful for like certain things. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.